This video will show you how to replace an Onyx ClimbMill frame IR sensor. The video shows the user left frame IR sensor, but the process is the same on both sides. Your ClimbMill has 3 serial number stickers. Before you begin, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Remove the dust tray. Lift to remove the control zone shroud. Use a plastic pry tool to remove the lower plastic strip. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn the 2 fasteners at the base of the lower cover, 1/4 turn. Pull the side panel forward, and then lift to remove it from the frame. Remove 3 screws and then remove the metal service cover so that you can access the LCB. Go to the rear of the frame, and use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws from the frame IR sensor bracket. Unplug the sensor wire from the LCB. Remove the sensor from the frame. Install the new frame IR sensor. Reinstall 2 screws to attach the new sensor to the bracket. Route the wire through the frame and plug it into the LCB. Make sure to replace any cut zip ties. Reinstall the metal cover. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the control zone cover and the dust tray. Plug in and test the unit. You have finished frame IR sensor replacement.